Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel and happy Mahashivratri to my all YouTube subscribers. In this video, I will show you how to create a beautiful happy Mahashivratri website using HTML, CSS and a little bit of JavaScript. This website has a background image of Lord Shiva and a button to enter into the next page and also a animated glowing lightings. Let's get into the video. This project, first we create the basic HTML structure using document type. This is the document type HTML and HTML tag and head and title. After that, we can create the body tag also. In this body tag, there is a home screen section and temple screen section. In this home screen section, we have div id equal to home, which means first screen, and here the div id equal to temple, which means the temple screen, that is second screen. And we have the button also. Here the button, this button calls JavaScript function. We have kept some button like a enter into the temple, like that. And we apply the background image in CSS. These are the CSS filters. I added a dark overlay using a semi-transparent black color. This makes the text more visible and gives a spiritual look. And now, interesting part. I created a movement using CSS animation. Here the Lord Shiva's animation. We keep the width as 350 px, and px here means pixels, and animations like a filters drop shadow. In the first page, I used to write the title as Happy Shivratri. In the home page, that is home screen, and now in script tag, we write the function under the table like document get element by id homes dot style dot display equal to none. This is I used a simple JavaScript function to switch the screens when the button is clicked. The button name, as already told you, that is enter temple. When the button is clicked, the home section is hides and the temple section shows. Now, how the code works, I will. And also, before going to the how the website works, I also keep the light effects in it. Like I created a small glowing circles using CSS and animated them from top to bottom. How it works, let us see. This is the whole code of the Happy Shivratri website. Okay, now I'm going to the code to live. How this is the website. As I already told you that the background color is semi-transparent black color. It's a happy Mahashivratri. This is a glowing letters using CSS, and this is the button using with JavaScript. Now I'm going to enter the temple. Here is the Om Namah Shivaya is the title of this second page, that is temple screen. This is with a glowing letters and namaskar symbol. And the image we kept here, we referred this image from a Google, and we download that image and keep the image like here. See, you can see the code. This is the link of that image we taken from the Google. This is the website. How the circle, small little glowing circles are bouncing like up and down, bottom to up. We are glowing. This is the whole website. I think you like this video. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel.